My name is Jace, and this is Fast Forward Design. Each week, I teach new fast tutorials with easy step-by-step instructions on all things design. Alright, let's get started.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can reshape any face using the Face-Aware Liquify tool in Photoshop. This is a great tool to make slight adjustments to your portraits to enhance features like eyes, nose, mouth, and overall facial structure. The goal in that case is to keep features as natural looking as possible. Or you can go the complete opposite route and make dramatic cartoonish effects to the face. The first step is to turn your image into a smart object. This way, any changes made can be undone or adjusted after. I've already completed this step, but you can do so by right-clicking on the image thumbnail and clicking Convert to Smart Object. Then, go to Filter and Liquify. Photoshop should recognize a face and open Liquify with the Face Aware tool automatically. If not, you can click on the face symbol. If you hover over the face, you'll notice all kinds of overlays. So I'll go over what each of the overlays edits. And they also correspond to the same actions using the sliders on the right. So feel free to use whichever method you prefer. If you have more than one face in your portrait, you can click on the Select Face option and select the face you want to edit. I'll go through each tool in the order of the slider panel, so starting with the eyes. If you hover over the eyes, you'll see a few anchor points and a dotted curved line. There are 5 adjustments you can make to the eyes. In the slider panel, you can also link the eyes together so that the adjustment you make to one eye will be replicated to the other eye. This dotted line curve allows you to rotate the eye. The top and bottom anchor point allows you to increase the eye height. The side anchor point allows you to increase the eye width. And the corner anchor point allows you to increase or decrease the overall eye size. While I don't use this feature a lot, you can always manually grab the eye and move it wherever you want it to go. The final adjustment you can make is eye distance, but this adjustment can be only found in the slider menu. Here, you can increase or decrease the distance between the eyes. So those are the adjustments for the eyes, and just another reminder, you can also make those same adjustments using the sliders on the right. The next section is the nose, which has 2 adjustments. The anchor points at the bottom allow you to change the nose height, and the anchor points on the left and right of the nose allow you to change the nose width. Again, you can always use the sliders on the right to do the same task if you prefer. Going down now to the mouth, we have 5 adjustments that we can make. The dotted lines on the outside let you adjust whether you want more of a smile or a frown. The anchor points on the left and right allow you to change the mouth width. The lines at the top and bottom of the lip allow you to change the thickness of the lips. And while there's no indicator for it on the actual portrait, you can use the slider on the right to make the mouth height bigger or smaller. And just another reminder, you can always manually grab the mouth or even the nose to move it wherever you want manually. And lastly, we can change the face shape. There are 4 adjustments we can make to the overall facial structure. You can use the anchor points on the side to increase or decrease the face width. Going lower, you can use these anchor points to edit the jawline. And the anchor points at the top and bottom allow you to change the chin and forehead up and down. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial of this really great tool that you can use to make slight and natural looking changes to the facial features in your portraits. Or take your photos to new heights and make really cartoonish, dramatic looking facial features. Because we're using smart objects, one quick tip if you're making a more dramatic, cartoonish effect is that you can always take your settings further by adding another smart layer with another Liquify adjustment if you really wanted to change the facial structure even more. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, let me know if this tutorial worked for you in the comments below, and you could subscribe to my channel for more fast and easy design tutorials.